Hello everyone, I'm Uditi from Chitkara University, and in this video I will be explaining my C# program which demonstrates object-oriented programming concepts like inheritance, method overriding and method overloading. So first of all, I created a base class called animal, and this class contains several private attributes like name, height, location, weight, age, color. Then I created a constructor to initialize all these values when an object is created, and after that I added some methods, virtual methods, which are eat, sleep, make noise, move, and then I used inheritance for feline and tiger. So I created a class called feline which will be inherited from the animal class, and add a new attribute called species that overrides from the sleep method. Let me search for the feline class. So feline class, this is the feline class in which we have a private attribute called species, and also have a constructor. Then I have inherited class tiger from feline, in which there has a new variable called color stripes, and then I overrode methods like make noise, print, which was print roar. Then I created method eat, which would show how much it eats, and then I created a method called move, which shows how it moves. Then I created a wolf class which directly inherits from the animal class, in which I created a constructor again, and then I overrode the method for wolf, make noise method, which writes wolf halts. Then another override method eat, which types wolf eats 10 lbs of meat, and then I created a public override method move, which explained wolf runs in a pack. Then we have bird, eagle and penguin classes. So next I created a bird class which is directly derived from the animal class. So it includes wingspan, bird species and a method called fly, which is this. Then I created eagle class which can fly and overrides multiple methods. So let me show you the eagle class really quick. Okay, so before that, let's move to the penguin class, which overrides fly to show that penguins cannot fly. And then we have all of these methods are same, make, noise, eat, move, and all of these methods are same. Now let's search for the eagle class. I don't have me. Yeah. So this is lay egg. Eagles can lay egg, and I have added all of these methods into the eagle class. Then I have a lion class which creates a lion class which is also inherited from the feline. Okay, yeah. So which is also inherited from the feline, and it overrides make, noise, eat, move, and this again reinforces inheritance and specialization. So then the sixth part goes on for method overriding, which is part 5, in which I will be inheriting in which I will be creating classes A, B and C. So A is this, and then B is inherited from A, and C is inherited from B. So M1 is overridden in class B, and class C defines its own M1. Class C has its own M1, and then this M1 is overridden in class B. So then I have used method overloading in part 6, which is method overloading using class called overloading. So there are two methods with the same name, method to be overloaded and method to be overloaded, but one only takes the name and the other takes name and age. So this only shows compile time polymorphism. And then we have main method execution, in which I finally in the main method I created objects for different classes like tiger, wolf, eagle, lion, penguin, and all of these methods like make, noise, eat, move and sleep. So this demonstrates how the different objects respond differently to a method calls. And then I also tested method overloading using classes A, B and C. Then I also tested method overloading using overloading class. So that is it for my code explanation. So overall this video will explain the inheritance, method overriding, method overloading, and runtime and compile time polymorphism. Thank you.